know what's going on. So apparently, like if you search OBS Catalina, they're like having problems. See, it's not OBS Studios currently not fully compatible with it yet. Handles permissions, stuff like that. So later in the thread, they say, "Hey, here's this newest update. This new test build fixes missing text source, fixes for some third-party plugins." You know what I should do? Can I disable these on the fly? Can I just disable these? Because I bet if I, maybe it's like Streamlabs or something that is messing with it. I don't think I can disable this though, can I? Maybe if I just don't make it visible. Display, capture, audio input. I don't know, maybe that'll help. I don't think you can just disable it though, right? Be kind of nice. Just have a disable toggle. But I guess this might be it. So maybe that'll help. I don't know. I turned off those things though, just temporarily, just in case they are causing issues. But anyways, yeah. So I downloaded this latest one and I installed it, but people still claim that it's crashing every once in a while. Yeah. So for this guy, it's not working for his webcams. This guy uses some kind of workaround of the black magic card. Can you guys still hear me? Am I still here? I guess just me and you, Andrew, Andrew actually. Um, okay, nice. There is a baseline though? What are you talking about? A baseline? Like there's a sound going on? Like there's like a baseline. What does that mean? Oh, it's your cable. Okay, nice. So I don't know. I might crash at any moment again. Also, the reason why there aren't very many people here is I didn't really post the stream today anywhere. Um, so yeah, it might just be me and you for the foreseeable future. Ay, ay, ay. So yeah, I think that OBS is gonna be struggling for a little bit. Um, yeah, I think it's gonna be struggling for a little bit. Um, let's see. So yeah, so this works. This works. So this is a real working deployed remake application using the multi-tenant architecture, and it's working on a subdomain on remakeapps.com, which is like honestly like mind-blowingly awesome. I can't believe it works. I don't know about the sessions yet. I think there's still some issues with the sessions because it's like a file session store and sometimes it just expires randomly. So I guess the worst case scenario is you're going to get logged out earlier than you wanted to. But I think we'll be able to fix that soon. Okay, so what are we going to do today? We could do internet investigations. I'm kind of in the mood to just kind of chill a little bit. So just so you know, like over the past, I don't know, Andrew, I think it's just me and you actually right now. Um, yeah, I don't think anyone else is around. I guess I could spam the channel. Can I spam the channel? There we go, everyone. Just so everyone knows. Okay, So what I've been working on is this. So these are all the to-dos I did over the past like week and a half, and they're all to get the multi-tenant mode working. Oh, you know what? Let's do an internet investigation. I don't know. It's not exactly internet investigation, but like into the remake code because I've been wanting to like look it over. Um, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Oh yeah, but by the way, and Android, if you want to get started, or Andrew, if you want to get started with a multi-tenant version, I don't know, it might not be super interesting to you, but there is a Trello document um, here. I don't know if it's interesting to you, but if you want, I will paste it in the chat, and this will let you get started locally and have like basically have a remakeapps.test domain on your local machine. Although actually, you know what? It won't work for you because you're on Linux. So actually, I'm not sure. Um, I'm not sure. So yeah, we're using this thing, DNS mask. I wonder if there's a Linux thing. Well, maybe. Let's see. Small networks. Oh yeah, I think this is probably cross-platform. No, you can, I think you can get it. Tarball. What is it compatible with? Here we go. Yeah, Linux. Okay, nice. So you can get it. So DNS mask. That'll allow you to support multiple subdomains. So like, you know how you have the host file on your local system and you can use it to forward domains to IP addresses or whatever. Yeah, I think that's what it does. But the host file, you would have to like create a unique subdomain for like every single app. Whereas if you use something like DNS mask, you can reroute all like wildcard subdomains to a specific app. So it's pretty nice. It took me a little bit to figure out, but it wasn't too hard. And then there's a local nginx config that's just going to do the correct rerouting. It's going to capture the subdomain and it's going to pass that in as kind of the first argument to to the locally running app. And as long as you enable the multi-tenant mode, you should be good. And there's kind of an overview in the link that I sent you that kind of tells you how to do it, and then like what to make sure is running and what the directory structure is, and yeah, assets and stuff. Oh yeah, I gotta do the production build command. I'm not gonna really worry about remake stuff today though, because I don't really have that much time, and I just worked on the tutorial. I could explore the code. That would be kind of fun, to be honest. Yeah, how about maybe I'll explore the code for a little bit, but let's actually look at let's do like a little internet investigation. So I want to look at I'm just trying to close everything. Am I still there? Okay, I'm still there. I'm like still keep worrying that like OBS is crashing in the background. Okay, so we're gonna look at the code in a second, but I'm gonna just do like a little research and stuff first. I'm just cleaning up everything. Okay, that's good. So these are two examples of like really I think, really nice, very clear landing pages. And I actually like super like them. You know, like they're not like super well designed. I mean, like, for example, just to give an example of like something that probably a like bigger company wouldn't do. They probably wouldn't have this like huge block of text. Also, like the line height is a little weird. But like it's not that bad. It's like it's pretty clear what it does. This is a video. That's cool. And it just loops through it, shows like what it does. And this is by a single founder, right? So I'm kind of interested in this because I'm kind of interested in this because I am a solo developer and I need to create landing pages, and I think it would be kind of cool to have something that comes across like this. It's kind of like simple, easy, clear. And then this is like another example. Um, so this is a slightly, I think, more professionally designed website, but it's also a little bit harder to navigate just because of the weird scrolling. But it's not too bad, and I actually kind of like it. And yeah, it's actually pretty cool. And it's this pre-release, kind of beta release of this software that lets you browse different communities like YouTube or Reddit or Hacker News or Indie Hackers. And it's by another solo developer, I think, a solo developer, I'm not sure. At least it's a small team. And he's got this like pretty simple um, landing page for it, like little headline, little explanation, little headline, little explanation. How about privacy? No, it's probably, I don't know, it's a private beta, right? So, no, I don't know. Um, I don't know what he would say, what the developer would say about privacy. Hey, Commander Root, welcome to the chat. We're just streaming for a little bit today, not too long. Mobile maybe, extendable, pluggable, hackable. I guess it's probably open source. Yeah, it's open source. So yeah, it's open source. So you can check on the privacy thing. Okay, yeah. How does it handle account credentials? Does not have access to your credentials. They stay locally on your computer and never touch the Axe server. You'll need to re-authenticate if you sign out. Well, it seems pretty secure, and it's open source, and it works. Oh, they're gonna launch on Linux soon, so that's cool. But anyways, I do like the product, and I signed up for it, but I mostly care about the homepage. Like, look, this is just so simple, so clear, so nice. Just like headline, example, headline, description, example. It kind of sells you on it. It sells me on it at least. I'm like, yeah, that's a nice interface. That's a nice thing. Um, and then they've got a sign up form for, if you want to hear about it. And then they have another link to the sign up form, another link, another link. They're very inconsistent with the types of links or buttons they're using, but that's fine. I have another one, and then another one. So it's very clear like what the main thing they want you to do is beta sign up, right? And then I think on the other one, let's see, what's their main thing? Sign up for free or log in, sign up for free, sign up for free, sign up for free. Yeah, so it's very clear what they want you to do. And neither one actually has like any pop-ups or anything if you're like going away from the site. So anyways, I saw this, oops, I didn't want regular news, like Combinator. So I saw this thing on Hacker News the other day that was asking about successful one-person online businesses. And so I'm going to check out this thread. This is going to be our research for today, where I'm going to see um, I'm going to see if there's other examples. I'm sorry. I'm going to see if there's other examples of one-person businesses that have nice homepages that I would kind of like to copy. Not copy, but like gain lots of inspiration from, because I'm sold on this. I'm like pretty close to sold on this. I don't think I'll actually purchase this one, but like it really made me think about it. I was like, huh, yeah, this seems kind of cool. And who knows, I might actually end up signing up for this because I currently use MailChimp for newsletters, and they're getting unbelievably expensive. So I think they're getting unbelievably expensive. Let's check on that real quick. Go to MailChimp pricing. So if, oh, well, it still looks the same. It's $0 up to wait, up to 2,000 subscribers, and then after 2,000, you only have to pay $10. How many contacts do you have? Oh, weird. Huh. So yeah, okay. So if you have 2,500, you have to pay $30 a month, which is like, I don't know, it's not bad, but also it doesn't make any sense. Like, I don't know. I guess it kind of makes sense, but um, 40,000 contacts for 249. So there's other company called Email Octopus, and this actually might be another website I might gather inspiration from. Because what I'm really looking for is like something that's not like super designed, like I want something that like is simple enough to, oh, they actually have a pretty big team. That's cute that they have the dog there. But like something that's like not super hard to implement. It's not like the Stripe homepage or like a Stripe product page, right? Like this, people spent like months on just to design this. Like, look at this. Like, what the heck, right? And then like they have code blocks and that. But I think especially for these like other landing pages, it's like this literally took like 6 months to design, just this page. Because you got to think it's also like responsive, and I mean these are all like custom icons, and then their tooltips are so brilliant. Even their tooltips are like so nice. They just pop right in, and they don't interfere with each other, and they're like instant, but they're helpful, and they look friendly. And then they have links for all these things. Jeez. And then like they have this, what do you call it? Perspective thing. Yeah, I would imagine this was a 6 month project. I know that seems like a lot for like a simple website or a simple landing page, but I think it probably was. It's just so nice. It's so well refined. It might even have been longer than that. I mean, I'm sure they're still making improvements to it, but anyways, this is kind of what I'm looking for, right? It's just like, boom, simple value proposition, simple tagline, or not tagline, but like simple call to action, um, screenshot. I don't like that they have the button in the screenshot. It looks clickable. But like that's the kind of mistake I want to be fine with making, like I don't want to worry about it too much. This is kind of fancy. But yeah, having some kind of social proof too. And what I'm talking about here is the Remake landing page, but also, Request Creative, which is another web app I'm working on that I made with Remake. But anyways, if we look at the pricing, if we look at, say, 40,000 people, It's $95 a month. So yeah, that's why I would think about switching to button down because um, it's inexpensive. Free up to 1,000 subscribers. Um, I don't know how many subscribers you can get with the Pro plan though. Pricing? Oh, here we go. Simple professionals. 40,000. That doesn't go up to 40,000. But just before that, it's 125. So I guess they might be similar. 24, 189 compared with 125. Yeah, so MailChimp is a little bit more expensive, but they're also more established in the marketplace, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to look at some of these one-person businesses, popular quiz websites. Is this Quizlet? $20 a month in hosting, advertised. Wait, what? He makes $6,000 per month from Google AdSense? Hmm, that's very interesting. Let's see if there's any details about what the quiz site is. Nope. Okay. Quiz. Mm, okay. Well, I guess we can't find that one. Consumer app with a subscription model. Wow, a lot of money. Um, I submissions. Okay, let's go here. Nope, deleted. Okay. Well, no, this isn't Robin. I don't think. Adam Silver. Web components. I don't know. I don't know who that guy is either. For the next, let's go to the next one. Cursive pays the bills. I think this website is going to be not great. I think I checked it out before. Yeah, this isn't really inspiring to me. I mean, it's very like, you know, um, marketed towards developers, right? Just like download, get a license, or renew your license. Blah blah blah. I don't know. It's like simple, and like most likely when I'm coming to the site, I'm gonna know what it is. But I think I think you can do a little bit better. Um, okay, okay. Friendly customer support. Okay, okay. Let's look here. The place we can also look at is indie hackers. I think a lot of people on indie hackers that run indie hackers businesses. Hey, Clickies, how's it going? We're researching solo founders right now. This landing page, I would not be sold by. I would think that this is a unmaintained, but I don't think it is. It just like looks very old. It looks like it was built a while ago. Um, let's see. Oh, because this is his new project. I bet that other one is unmaintained. Yeah, this one doesn't look bad. It's a little busy and the headline's not big enough. It doesn't really jump out to me. But yeah, Instagram publishing, that's useful. Pipeline, okay, coming soon. I don't know if I would highlight something that's coming soon. The pink's a little sharp for me. I don't really like this landing page. Um, I don't know what it is. I think if like this heading was bigger and and the font size wasn't different, and this was maybe like washed out a little bit more, and then this I don't like. Yeah, see, it's like a dark. The text is dark. I would rather have it just be this by default. And then this top area should like extend to the bottom. And then this is just like a lot of text. It's like just get rid of this text below here. Just like have these top these top areas with the icon just be the only thing. And it's just kind of distracting to have it switch between dark mode and light mode. It's like, oh, you're in dark mode. Oh, you're in light mode. Oh, you're in dark mode. And it's just like, it would make more sense actually if each section took up like a full screen height. Then I think you could do the alternating of dark mode and light mode. But yeah, yeah. And then these screenshots are pretty bad. They would work much better if they were zoomed in more, showed more details. But like you can't tell what they are. It's not, I'm not like sure if I would like this app based on these screenshots because they're just so small. I guess maybe just like showing this screenshot, like just like larger, right? Because they're talking about the pipeline, just like show one screenshot of the pipeline. But I don't know. I'm not here to like criticize things, even though that's what I just did. I'm here to find examples of independent developer like websites that look good and are kind of lightweight to maintain. Be the family favorite. Text your photos and we'll mail 4x6 prints to your grandma or grandpa or mother or nice. That is really a good idea. I like that idea a lot. 5 photos per month. 5 free photos. Text or email your photos. Can you include... This is like such a good idea, actually.
Hello, this is Deborah Quietek, and I'm giving you feedback on the Nanogram account. My daughter-in-law ordered this for us as a gift a year ago,
Oh,
and
this is adorable. Hey, well now you're criticizing me, Android. How about that? Um, and now I'm criticizing your criticism. Whoa. Um, so, wow, that's cool. And a cool personal story. Well, to be honest, this is like amazing. I'm sure they've had a lot of different iterations on that. Oh, voicemail reviews. Oh my goodness. Wait, but they only have one voicemail review. Oh no, no, they don't. You can go through this. Oh, that's actually really nice. That's true. You didn't. That's true. Okay. That's funny. It's not just really hard. I think that you have to be lucky. Yeah. Okay, let's go to more. One person. Who's the pretending part? What is the goal of today? Well, we only have honestly 20 more minutes, so I'm just like researching internet. I'm just researching internet businesses started by solo founders so I can find examples of landing pages that I really like so that I can implement similar landing pages for my projects. So I've found a few so far, a few that I really like. So this one I like, but it's not my favorite. But these two I really like. And then Stripe was the example of the one that probably took a year to build. Um, and that I'm not going for. But this is cool. I like that one. And so, yeah, I'm just going through different solo founder businesses. Website monitoring. I think I heard something about this one. Um, this one's okay. I don't know. I don't really like it, to be honest. Stripe and Yak. No, but Stripe's not in the running because it's not made by a solo founder. Like, so the goal I'm going for is something that sells you on a product without being over designed. And I don't want to say over designed because like Stripe is super nicely designed. It's not over designed. But like this, right? So like you go here, there's a video, there's a headline. It's very simple, right? This is very simple. And then you have like some text, a little bit too much text in my opinion, but you have a very clear button. Like this is not hard to implement. I could implement this probably in, I don't know, like a week or something, maybe less. You know, like if I would just sat down at the computer, I could probably do this in like a couple days if I was just like going for exactly this. Um, yeah. Um, and then same thing here. This might be slightly harder to implement, but not that much harder. I could probably do it in a couple days. So I'm just looking for stuff like that where I don't have to like, I don't feel, I want to like set my expectations here, right? And like hit them instead of setting my expectations here and then like taking forever to try to get there and like maybe not ever ending up there. Yeah, I think the slides are fine in my opinion. Um, I don't know. It's different. It's a little annoying, I'll admit it. I think it would be better without them, without the slides. But I don't mind it too much. It wouldn't like it wouldn't convince me not to use the product, I guess. Whereas like if you hijacked my scroll, then I'm definitely gonna not use your product. Page flows. Okay, sure. Canceling. Limited everything. Um, not really, like I'm intrigued, but I don't think I would ever. I don't know. I might like try to convince my company to buy this, but like I'm not convinced by just the homepage, you know? That's a cool idea though. It's a really cool idea. Um, okay, we'll just close anyone who didn't link their app. I solo started an automatic time tracker for programmers. Okay. Huh. Waka time, permission, timeline. Okay. Nope. Um, font peak. It doesn't provide the majority of income, meaningful amount, and it's constantly growing. And it's currently costing you nothing because it runs on Firebase. Huh. Font peak. Get your fonts up, and away. Easily allow customers to preview your fonts on your website while keeping them safe and secure from theft. That is a really niche market. So this is like for font, what do you call it? Foundries and font designers. Wow. Okay. I mean, it's a very niche market and they're only charging $10 a month. I can't imagine they're making more than like $500, but maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Unlimited access. Jeez. Okay, cool. Actually, wait, I didn't decide if I like that or not. I think, yeah, it's very clear value. They don't have any social proof though. So but I do like the simplicity of it. I like the simplicity of the design. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it around. It doesn't have all the like bells and whistles, but it does have the core thing that I'm looking for, which is just like simplicity and clarity in one. Only used Tesla. Huh. He's been living off, or he or she has been living off the income the whole year. What? Launched the business with 4 listings in 2016. Wow. Huh. That is pretty neat. This is a cool business model. As far as like, does this sell me? Um, I kind of like it, to be honest. I mean, I don't think I would buy this. I don't think I would buy one of these, but I don't know. Maybe eventually. I wonder why all these people are selling their Teslas. I guess a lot of people buy them. 57 pages. Huh. Yeah, this is a very cool business model and pretty simple. Oh, that's true. Yeah, that's a good point. Um, Okay. Uh, you run a series of events for people who run agencies. Okay. Agency hackers. Case study. Um, I don't know. Sure, I'll search it. Let's see. Agency hackers. Meet nice agency leaders in interesting events. Nope. It sounds like a really cool business, just not the landing page we're looking for. Form API. Okay. Let's look here. Fill out PDFs with your data. Very clear value proposition. Clear code. Dun dun dun. Stay up to date. Bum bum bum. Extra features. Yeah, I like it. I'm convinced. I'm not like super like wanting to like sign up for it tomorrow. I think they could use some like examples, but like I like it. It's simple. It's clear. Oh, these are even clickable. That was not clear. They should make these look more like tabs. Um, because that's super cool actually. Uh, yeah. I don't know what would make this better. I guess like off the top of my head, I don't have a use case for this right now. So like if they told me one I might run into in the future, when I run into that problem, I might come here. But like I guess I could see it for like invoices or something like that. Um, Pricing. Mm, yeah, but it's not bad. I mean, for a business, it's not bad pricing. I mean, you'd spend a lot more developing it yourself. Okay, so let's close this one. Pinboard. Okay, let's look. Huh. Pinboard, social bookmarking for introverts. Very interesting. It's a fast, no-nonsense bookmarking site for people who value privacy and speed. No ads and no third-party tracking. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's funny. $11 a year. Oh, that's not the bad pricing. I don't know. I've never been sold by this, actually. Although I kind of gave up on bookmarking websites in general because I just realized I never go back and look at them. So I just stopped doing it. Um, Popular. Oh, geez. That's not what I want to see. um, okay. Oh, wait. That's actually relevant to me. What nobody tells you about documentation. Let's see. If their first sentence sucks. Okay, that's interesting. Secret. There's a secret. I don't like that. Secret. Yeah, okay, sure. The secret. Tutorials, how-to guides, explanation, technical reference. Sure. Yeah. Well, I like it. That seems pretty good. Seems relevant. Maybe nah. I'm just gonna close it. Okay. Um, Mike Carson, Park.io. Domain name back ordering. Quarks.io sold for $99. Optus.io. Current auctions. Structured, tenaciously, gossiply, played to. I am a little bit, tiny bit addicted to domain names. So this is a little bit interesting. Um, yeah, I mean, this is clear and it's simple. I like it. Let's add it. Okay. John. Oh. Huh. Okay. FlowX. Android weather app. Oh, they hijacked my scroll. I'm done. Okay. UK based e-business. Product picks. Okay, we're gonna do this for the rest of the time. Remove photo backgrounds. Very nice. Machine generated, human validated. Oof. Eh, I don't like the human validated part. I expect the like when if I were gonna sign up for something like this, I would want it instantly. But I guess a lot of people that would want this is it's for like yeah, product pictures for like a professional Shopify website or something. So that makes sense. Um, this is not too bad. I think it's pretty good actually. Yeah, let's see. Dream Loom. I just have two. But yeah, I think this is not bad. This is not a bad landing page. Men's skincare. Okay. Let's see. Nope. I am not. No. They lost me at the weird, hard to read font and the U 2.0. You can put U 2.0 at the bottom of the site, but is the first thing? No, thank you. Um, Complete anti-aging. Did you know? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, sure. Nope. I don't, it just seems very sketchy to me, honestly. I understand they're trying to sell something, a product, actual product, and maybe it's hard to sell. So, um, yes, you may. VPN company. Uh, huh. Sales for founders. Um, it's not finished yet, but here you got some of the table already done. Wait, what? Oh, I thought this was a working web interface. I mean, it is though, right? Android, Andrew, how many things are you working on, dude? Wait, what is it? What are you showing me here? I actually don't know what you're showing me here. Is this a, it's for a game, tabletop simulator. I have no idea what you're showing me here. So this, you're designing, I don't know what you're doing. Okay. No, I get what you're doing. Okay. So this interface is tabletop simulator and you're designing okay. The logo. The logo is the main thing and then I don't know, do they let you change the wood styling? And you're asking me how it looks, how like the table here looks because you want to use this well, to play games with other people online. The inner texture of the table, the black and stuff, and the logo. I guess I would have to see it like with the cards on it. This thing in the middle is weird. In general, I like the logo a lot. It looks professional. It looks like it's part of the game. So I think that works well. I think if it's the same layout every time, I might try to maneuver things around this middle thing so that the logo is kind of split into an above and below or something. Because it being over your main logo isn't good. It doesn't. Uh, it's fine. It's not really like a big deal. It's not a huge deal. But if it is the same layout every time, you might want to think about moving things around a little bit. But if it's a different layout every time, right? Like if this gray square is sometimes up a little bit or down a little bit, just leave it how it is. It's totally fine. Um, the as far as the typography goes, I like the logo. I like the DC. I especially like how the C is a mirror of the D. I think that works really well. I'm curious who did this for you or if you did it yourself because it looks professional. The only thing I would say is that the C looks a little strange because normally you're used to it curving at the ends. I don't think it's a big deal. And I actually think it might work well just how it is. But there's possibly something you could do with the, see that right at the end? I think if you curve this down just a tiny bit, like not actually down, but just like if you have, so you see how it's like squared at the end? It's a squared at the very end of the C. If you made that rounded, but just at the top, I think that would make it look slightly better. And I think the same for the bottom. If you just rounded it at the bottom in, so it's not the whole end isn't rounded. It's just the bottom and then in. So there's just one side of the stick is rounded. But to be honest, it looks professional. It looks like it's part of the game. It looks really good. Yeah, and yeah, it looks like a professional table. Are you starting a casino business? What is this for? Are you fed up of not running your own profitable business? Hmm. Okay. Uh, you and a friend like to play blackjack at the end of the day, and you thought, let's make one yourselves. Oh, okay. Nice. That's cool. Okay. I'm actually interested in this course if it's not that much money, but I don't know how much it is. There's no indication. Hmm. Well, this looks pretty cool. I do want to sign up for it just to hear more about it. Um, there we go. Hmm. Okay, cool. I actually got to run, guys. It was fun. It was short, but it was fun. I am disappointed that this wasn't a longer stream, but I will be on tomorrow, hopefully for just a little bit longer, maybe 3 hours instead of the single one. Um, yeah, you have to get to bed anyways, and Android. I don't know why you're saying, oh well. I think it's pretty close to your bedtime. um, okay, but I will see you guys later. See you tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, um, talk to you guys uh, later. Bye.